Do you like listening to birdsong in the morning? Do you like watching them fly so graceful and light? Hello and welcome creative friends to day 18 of July Junk Journal Challenge, hosted by Lee from Art and Junk Journal Wonderland. And today's prompt, you can probably already guess, is bird. I thought a collage would be a great idea because I can't really paint birds all that well. Luckily, I found some fussy-cut birds in my stash and they were just perfect. There was also this beautiful printable I had. I don't remember where it came from.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love. Day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon, no place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Good to use some too. A little bit of sunlight.
I love how the colors on one side sweep into the other like a song that's not finished yet, one that continues in your imagination. Maybe she just received good news? On the other page I added a little pocket, the perfect spot to tuck away a letter or a note. So today take a moment and really listen to the birds. They always seem to have something to say about the ups and downs of life. hope you enjoyed this peaceful and dreamy little spread. Thank you for all your kind notes and wonderful comments. It really means the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And as always, happy creating and see you tomorrow.